Hi, my name is Sunil KS and I'm the Vice President for the company. We are a company called Teknix Elevators. So we are in the industry from past 40 years. We are mainly into elevators and escalators. The reason we started this company 40 years back is we found that there is a lot of scope for elevators in India and customization was actually needed during that time. We are designers and manufacturers, we are not assemblers. So when it comes to manufacturing, a lot of technicalities is involved. When it comes to designing, a lot of technicalities involved. We have a lot of expertise in designing and manufacturing.
We are using SolidWorks standard since long back, and then we have entire lift design also. We are having entire design, but we are consuming more time. Then I asked her to Conceptia Konnect for we have some standard design how to reduce the time. Then with the help of Conceptia Konnect support, we implemented our lift assembly with equation. Before we are doing 90 minutes, after implement the equation, within a minute our entire lift assembly has been completed.
Earlier what we were doing when it comes to design, we were using different platforms where it used to take a lot of time for us to design and efficiency would definitely drop in that case. So SolidWorks, we started using this from last couple of years. So it has helped us to not only save time, but it has helped us to redefine our approach towards the design and efficiency. And SolidWorks has definitely become a part of our family. So a big thank you to Conceptia and SolidWorks.